Hello and thank you for joining us today. We have a really awesome tutorial ready for you today. We are going to be making a floral backdrop. So this can be used for weddings or for an event if you want somewhere to take pictures in front of. We are going to start with some stemmed Sola wood flowers, some different types of filler, and floral foam. We are going to start by attaching our floral foam to our backdrop. We have a pallet wood style backdrop here for a more rustic look, and we are just going to attach our foam using some zip ties. You can use wire or whatever you feel is going to make it most secure. Now that we have that attached, we are ready to add our flowers and filler. Feel free to be as creative as you would like with this project. Because we are making a pretty big arrangement here, it will require quite a few flowers and filler, but it is definitely worth it. We just want to make sure that we have a really full, beautiful looking arrangement by filling in all those spaces with our flowers and filler, and you have a wonderful backdrop for your wedding or for an event, or even for just a really pretty decor piece at a birthday party. Thank you for joining us today and happy crafting!